Yeah. So, good morning. Good afternoon, Master. Okay. So, this is brother. Okay. I have a 6 years of experience in automation testing and with parallel manager and API testing person. Okay. So, in my past experience, I'm working as an automation tester and API tester also by using machine learning capabilities. Okay. So, I have very good knowledge on API testing and database testing and DevOps tools, multiple tools also. Okay, I'm working in Selenium automation test in VDS. Okay, so right now here we are looking at demo for the Selenium automation. Okay, so before knowing this testing or automation testing, first we have to know what is meant by software. So why people are doing testing in software. I think so most of the people they don't know what is meant by software also, but they are looking into the job only. So everyone after completion of the degrees, they are looking into the I want to job. Okay, everyone they are building their career into the software side. Why? Because to earn the money. So if anyone is interested to work without payment, no, right. So everyone we are looking at the money. Okay. Whenever they pay the salary, then only we are ready to work every week. Right? So most of the people are they don't know what is meant by software, but they are looking that they want to become a software employee. Right? So before going to know the automation testing, manual testing, software testing, first we have to know software testing. Okay. First we will know the what is meant by software, why people are doing a software testing in their software. Okay. Yeah. So software means so already we know, see, software is nothing but a set of programs. Software means set of programs. Okay. So set of programs is nothing but set of programs is nothing but. So if you want to communicate any, if you want to communicate any computer or a, yeah. See, first we have to know the software. Software means a set of programs or set of guidances to communicate the computers. Okay, software is nothing but it is a communication language between the computers and human beings. Okay, so in this we have a set of programs. So which can be helpfully perform a specific task. సో ఈ తెలుగు ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక కంప్యూటర్ తో కమ్యూనికేట్ అవ్వాలి అని అనుకుంటే హౌ యూ వాంట్ టు కమ్యూనికేట్ బై యూజింగ్ సమ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ హావ్ టు కమ్యూనికేట్ ఇన్ ది systems. So without knowing any programming knowledge, can we communicate with the program? No. Right? So software is nothing but we have a set of programs that can be helpful to perform the specific task in a computer. So programs is nothing but we have a set of instructions. Whenever we give the instruction, then only we get a proper output, right? Without giving an instruction, if you are looking for the any proper output, can we get no? Because of say whenever we have to insert into the some rules and guidelines in any way, then only we get the proper output, right? Even their software also to give a set of instruction into a program, then only they are getting some particular output. So software is nothing. It is a communication between the computers and human beings. Okay, it is a computer language. Okay, so in that we have a multiple programs. So that is nothing but software. Any questions? No, right? So each program is help to the to perform the specific task. Okay, so that kind of software we have in a market right now. So currently in market we have number of softwares available in the market, like web pages, mobile applications, desktop applications, and this web applications like web design, Amazon application, e-commerce applications, insurance applications. We have multiple applications, right? If you want to build any software application, we need some. We need some programs, right? So whenever we have a program, then only we have to execute that program, we get the proper output, right? So in the market, we have a multiple software applications. So if you want to give a instruction in a software, that day, can we want to test that software is working properly or not? Yes or no? See, నేను ఏదైతే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నానో అది ప్రాపర్ గా వస్తుందో లేదని చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కమ్యూనికేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ద కంప్యూటర్ వన్ మిషన్ టు అనదర్ మిషన్ బిట్వీన్ ద పర్సన్స్, రైట్? సో దట్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్ ప్రాపర్లీ ఆర్ నాట్, హౌ ఐ నో? Whenever I perform some testing, then only we have to know, right? So for example, if I buy a phone, yeah, this one. If I buy a phone, so okay, how can I buy a phone? How can I buy a phone? So, so if I want to buy a phone, how can I buy a phone? So, if I went any mobile showroom, so can we ask, I need some phone? We can simply buy a phone. How do you know that phone is working or not? By clicking on a power button. So, first we will on the phone, then we can verify the camera, RAM size, and that video quality and sound. Everything we have to verify it. So whenever you verify that, then only you know that phone is working properly, right? In software also, after building your software programs, we have to know our programs are properly working or not. So whenever you know that, then only that software is going to be given proper result of us. So without verifying, if you directly deliver the software, so that time we get some errors in real time, right? So for example, in live, we have Amazon applications, Flipkart applications, Myntra applications, right? So what is the purpose we people are using the applications? To buy the products, right? Those are the e-commerce applications, right? So in Flipkart or Amazon, any application, what we do, just whatever the things we want to search it and we can verify, we are able to get the proper, the result or not. Yes or no? So for example, if I want to buy a mobile phone in a Flipkart, so how can I get the mobile phone details in Flipkart? First, I open my Flipkart and I can search the Flipkart. I need some phones. If I want to looking for the iPhones, I can search the iPhone 15. Whenever I search the iPhone 15, I'm looking the iPhone 15 mobile or any Samsung or any Vivo phones. iPhone 15 only, right? What is my expectation? iPhone 15. If you get the same result in that Amazon application, then only you will satisfy. Yes or no? That purpose only we are developing that application or not. Say Amazon application మనం ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామండి? ఏమైనా ప్రొడక్ట్స్ కొనుక్కోవడానికి లేకపోతే కనుక ఏమైనా అందులో అవైలబుల్ గా ఉన్నవి మనకి ఏమైనా యూజ్ అవుతాయి అనేది తెలుసుకోవడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తాం. లైక్ వాటి ప్రైజెస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, మార్కెట్ లో ప్రైజెస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి కంపేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో అమెజాన్ లో ఫోన్ కొనాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఫోన్ సర్చ్ చేసినప్పుడు నాకు 15 సర్చ్ చేస్తే 15 రావాలి. నేను ఐఫోన్ సర్చ్ చేసినప్పుడు నాకు వివో వచ్చింది. ఈజ్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ ఫైన్? దట్ టైం వి డిసప్పాయింటెడ్, రైట్? Can you use the same Amazon application in next step? No, right? So that is the reason. If before developing that software, before developing that application, okay, first they verify that software is working properly or not. Before releasing the software in the market, first they verify how our programs are working. So my programs are working properly or not. If they search some kind of item, it will show the same result or not. Are you getting my point? So software is nothing but set of programs. In Amazon application, we have set of products like mobile phones, electrical devices, home, furniture, okay, clothes, toys. We have multiple, right? Everything is on a one program. So based upon your input, it will show you output, right? Yes or no? మీరు ఏం సెర్చ్ చేస్తే అదే వస్తుంది కదా మీకు అవుట్పుట్ లో. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఎ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. Everything is nothing but it is a software in any application. Okay. If you want to know every software is working properly or not, in that time we need some software testing. Are you getting my point? Yeah. So software testing is nothing but what it is. So already we know, right? It is a process of test the software, right? What is mean by software testing? It is a process of test the software. Before software we have to test it. Okay. Why? To deliver the quality product to the customer. What is mean by software testing? Software testing is nothing but it is a process of test the software to deliver the quality of software to the customer. Any questions on that? It is clear. Already you know what is meant by software. Software means we have set of programs. If you want to verify that every program is working properly or not, so that time we need to perform some software testing. Software testing means it's a process to test that software. It is working or not. Okay. Why? To deliver the quality of software to the customer or client. Are you able to understand? Okay. So this software testing, we people are doing the multiple ways. Okay. Mostly we have it two ways. One is manual approach. Second one is automation approach. So manual approach means how you want to buy a phone by directly open the application, by directly search a product, we can directly observe the result. Yes or no? Whatever the actions you are performing manually, if you want to perform same actions without your interaction by using some tools, that is nothing but automation. In Telugu, live example means we have a power statics. How you know power is working or not in your family? మనకు పవర్ చాకెట్స్ లో పవర్ ఉంది. సో ఆ పవర్ అనేది వర్క్ అవుతూ మన ఫ్యాన్ తిరిగి అవుతుంది అని చెప్పేసి మనకి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? హౌ యూ నో దట్? సో whenever you click that switch button, then only you know, right? If the fan is working, then it is working fine. So if it is fan is not working, that time can you say it is working or not? ఫ్యాన్ వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు కానీ మీరు స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేస్తారు, అప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పచ్చా ఫ్యాన్ వర్క్ అవుతుందో లేదు? ఫ్యాన్ ఫ్యాన్ తప్పు ఉందని చెప్తారా లేకపోతే పవర్ రాలేదని చెప్తారా? So whenever we verify that power is working in a switchboard, then only we can say that is the manually we have to click on the switch button. So without clicking the switch button, you can directly expect the fan is working. No, right? So this is nothing but this kind is a manual approach. Or in the software applications, see here. So we have an Amazon applications, right? See here, this is my Amazon application. So manual testing, software testing means so to test the some particular software, it is working properly or not. In this application, we have everything. Amazon TV, seller, bestseller, mobiles, today deals, prime, customer services, electronics, everything we have. So I want to search some mobile phones. iPhone 15 Pro Max. So what is the result I'm getting? iPhone 15, right? If I search iPhone 15, if I get a Vivo or Samsung or Redmi or MI, that way can we satisfy that result? Right now we're getting the proper result, right? I search the iPhone 15 Max Pro. We are getting iPhone 15 only, right? So this process is nothing but manual testing. This process is nothing but manual testing. So not required to know more in manual testing. Just everything is in a periodic. Okay. So software testing is divided into the two types. One is manual and another one is automation approach. So already you know what is mean by software testing. It is a process to test the software, right? Okay, in that we have two types, manual testing and automation testing. So manual testing and automation testing means, say, manual testing. So what is meant by manual testing? See, it is a process of software testing, right? It is a process of software testing, which is done by the human interaction. And human interaction and human observation. Right now, how can I test that iPhone is working or not? Okay, how can we get that iPhone result in Amazon page? By entering manually the data in a application to see that application result, then only we can understand we are getting that iPhone. Right? Earlier, if you buy a phone, how you know that phone is working or not? By clicking power button by manually, by seeing that sliders in your phone, and by verifying a camera, by seeing your eyes, right? That is the way to we have to test that application, right? Sure, that way is nothing but manual approach. So here I'm clearly mentioned, it is a process of software testing. It is under the software testing only, right? This approach is under the software testing only, right? So then, which is done by human interaction and human observation. How it is completed? By human interaction and by human observation. That way only we have done that testing, right? This is nothing but for software testing. Are you able to understand? Okay. Online, Aditya and Ali, are you able to understand what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So this is nothing but it's a manual test. So if you want to become a software employee or if you want to become the software test engineer in a software industry, that time manual is a basic thing. So it is mandatory to do the software applications. Without performing manual testing, we can't perform any testing because so to perform this manual testing, is there any scripting language required? No. Right now, how I am performing manual testing? By directly giving input by expecting output in my software application. Is there any software programming is required? No. Without knowing anything, we have to perform directly in testing in a software application. Okay. This is one approach. It is a basic need for the every software application. In right now, we have multiple software applications. To test any software application, first they perform a manual approach. Okay. Then later only they are switching into the automation. Okay. So software testing, we people are completing into the automation testing also. So automation testing means so where we perform this, it is also a subset of the software testing only. Okay. It is also a process of software testing. It is also a process of software testing. Okay. Which is done by the using tools and utilities. Using tools and utilities. Utilities means related tools. Okay, equal the tools. Okay, so automation testing is also nothing but it is also a process to test the software applications, but which is done by using tools. Earlier, by human interaction and human observation, we perform a testing. Whatever the testing you are performing by manually, the same testing, if you want to perform without your interaction by using some programming languages. So if you want to do the same act, that process is nothing but it is a automation test. Okay. In Telugu, just now I told how you test the power. So to test the power in switchboard or not, how you test by using some testers, we have to test it. To test a power in switchboard by using tester. Tester is a one tool, right? That is nothing but automation approach. Okay, by manually if you test that wire is working or not by human touch, that is nothing but manual. Is there any confusion? No, right? So this is nothing but software under the testing. Are you able to understand? Any questions on here? If you are having any questions on this part, please let me know. I will give the examples on it. Yeah, what about this? Are you okay? Yeah. So what about you? No doubts? Yeah. Online, any questions, anyone?
No.
Aditya and Ali?
No, all good till.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, just now I told to perform manual testing, not required to know any programming language and not required to use any other softwares. Okay, by human interaction and human observation, we perform. But if you want to perform a automation testing, we need some tools. Right? We need some tools. So right now, I will tell you what are the tools are available for the performing automation testing. How you use the tools. Okay, so I will tell you what are the tools are suitable for the automation testing. Okay, so going forward, we people are using the Selenium automation tool to test the software application. Why? I will tell you. Okay, why we are using Selenium only to test the software application? Why market is everyone people are looking into the Selenium? I will tell you what is the reason. Okay, so what are these tools are suitable for the what are the tools are suitable for the automation testing. Okay, so basically tools are divided into the two types. Okay, so before knowing what are the tools are suitable, first we have to know what type of tools are available. Okay, మనకి ఏ టూల్స్ సూట్ అవుతుందో తెలుసుకునే ముందు అసలు ఏమున్నాయో తెలుసుకోవాలి. Okay, so what type of tools are available in market means in generally we have two types. One is payment tools, another one is free open source tools. One is payment. So by paying a money to purchasing the tools we have to use. Without paying money also we can use some tools in the market. So tools are divided into the two types. One is open source, another one is commercial. See, these are why I am using different words. Means these are technical words. If you attend an interview are asking the what is mean by open source, what is mean by commercial. Open source means free tool. Commercial means payment tools. Okay, so in real time we have two types of tools. One is payment tools. Second one is free tools. One is payment tool. Second one is free tools. So now tell me which tool you want to use. Free tool, because as a human being we are not ready to pay the money anywhere. We are here. So every human being we are looking at free open source only. Right? Why we want to pay the money? If you have a source to use the free, so are you ready to pay the money? No, right? Everyone we are looking into the free only. Yes or no? Right? So in the market also, in the software companies also, they are also human beings. That's why they are also using the free tools. Okay, in software industry లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా అందరు మనుషులే కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు కూడా ఫ్రీగానే వాడతారు. They are not ready to spend money to use the tools. Okay, so see here top 15 automation tools. See, top 15 automation tools. See, these are not my own results, right? This is a official Google results. Okay. See this top 15 automation testing tools. Right now, we people are looking into the testing automation role only, right? Okay, see this top 15 automation testing tools. See what are the tools are available. First one is Catalan. Okay, Product Studio, Test Complete. Okay, Selenium, Protector, and Soap UI, Postman, Skypress, JMeter, APM. Okay, we have multiple tools, right? Okay, but every tool is not suitable for the test software applications for web. ప్రతి టూల్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ టెస్ట్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేయాలి. In the market, we have the multiple software applications and multiple software is also available. Okay, so every tool is not suitable for the test the every software. Okay, so in market we have a number of tools to perform the automation testing. Everywhere we have to perform a manual testing and automation testing. But right now we are looking the web page automation testers. Okay, to develop any software application in the market, first they are designed to the web page. After designing web page, they will switch into the mobile application. Okay, after that they are switching into the any databases. Okay, or APIs also. First they develop the web page, then later they are moving into the mobile application. Okay, so if you want to test a web application, if you want to test a web application by using automation tools, here we have a only 5 tools. Here we have a only 5 tools. So earlier we have 15 tools, right? But right now to test the web pages, we have only 5 or 6 tools available. Okay, I will tell you, we have number of tools, but we people are not using every tool to test the web applications. Okay, so see here, first we have a Catalan. If I take a Catalan, Catalan is a one tool to test the software applications. Okay. So this tool is suitable for the test the web applications, API applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications. Okay, this is the actual question. What are the tools are suitable for the to test a software application? In the market, we have number of tools, but every tool is not suitable, right? But if you want to become a software test engineer as a web page, okay, that time which tool we want to use, we have to know, right? Okay, so mostly people are using the Selenium to test the software applications, web pages. Okay, why? I tell you. Okay, see here, we have a Catalan is also a tool. It is also suitable for the testing the software applications. By this tool is suitable for the four kind of applications. One is web page, API, mobile application, desktop applications. What is the difference between web page, APIs, mobile applications, and desktop applications? So I will tell you. Web page is nothing but if you navigate any web page, sorry, any screen through your browser internet, that is nothing but it is a web page in your OS system. See, what is mean by web page means? Web page means, see, how can I navigate this Facebook application? In allow open listen. Right now, I open my browser. If I search a URL for the Facebook.com, then only we get this window, right? So web page is nothing but to navigate any web page through your browser internet. That is nothing but web page. See how we get this through URL. How we get this through URL. This is nothing but web page. Same Facebook in mobile phone also we have, right? Same Facebook, same Amazon application in mobile phone also we have it. Okay, so in mobile phone, how you open this Facebook? So first we download the software through Play Store. First we download the app in Play Store. Then later we open it. Yes or no? Okay, so app through app if you open any application, that is nothing but mobile application in your mobile phone. First మన app download చేసుకునే కదా చేస్తాం. That is nothing but mobile application. But in mobile page, we have a same screen or small screen. It could be a considered. Yes or no? In mobile phone, how much of screen we have? 60 inches or 17 inches. Mostly that screen only we have it. That kind of page only we get. But in your OS or in your laptop, how much of screen it is? It is a bigger than to the mobile phone, right? Both screens are same or different? Different, right? So that is the reason. This is a web page, that is mobile application. Okay. And one more thing is API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface means API means it is a mediator between the client and server. It is not having any separate entities, physical entity. It is not having any separate physical entity. It is a mediator between the client and server. Client and server. I will tell you what is meant by API softwares. Okay, we have a phone, right? We have phone, right? In our mobile phone, we have a phone pay and Google Pay and Book My Show app, Redbus. We have these apps, right? By using Book My Show app or Redbus. So what is the purpose we people are using that Book My Show or Redbus? To buy the tickets, right? By using Book My Show app, we can buy the movie tickets. By using Redbus, we can buy the bus tickets, right? Yes or no? If you want to buy a ticket, how you buy a ticket through using Book My Show or Redbus? In that application, first we search the which ticket you want. Okay, select the ticket. After selecting the ticket, if you want to pay money by clicking pay, it is showing automatically phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm, any other payments, right? Whenever you select that phone pay, automatically it is open into the phone pay application, right? What is the connection between the Book My Show app and phone pay? Phone pay is separate app, Book My Show is separate app, right? But if you want to pay money to buy a ticket, by selecting phone pay directly, we get that result here, right? The internal mediator between the API. That API is working in that backend. We can't see that API. It is not having any icon. Okay, that phone pay features are getting in Book My Show. That phone pay features are getting into the Redbus app. Okay, that app, how it is working? It is not having a complete functionality in your Book My Show. In a Book My Show, we are not having a complete functionality in your phone pay. By using Book My Show, can we verify our balance? No, right? Just to be pay the money. Right? So that is nothing but API. It is a mediator. Our bank key, our Book My Show key, phone pay key, someone. There is no connection, right? But we get the functionality, we were able to pay the money, right? In back end, APIs are good. Or in simple Telugu example is, if you want to go any hotel, so మన hotel కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏదైనా హోటల్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఆర్డర్ ఎనీథింగ్ హౌ యూ ఆర్డర్ మీ హోటల్కి వెళ్ళారండి బ్యారర్ వచ్చి మీ దగ్గర ఏం కావాలని తీసుకుంటారు బ్యారర్ తీసుకుంటాడు మీరేం చేస్తారు మీరు రిక్వెస్ట్ బేరర్ తీస్తారు బేరర్ తీసుకెళ్ళి మీ యొక్క చెఫ్ చెప్తేనే కదా చెఫ్ మీకు ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఇస్తారు రైట్ సో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఎవరు మీరు కస్టమర్ ఓకే చెఫ్ అనేవాడు ఎవడు తన దగ్గర ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉంది తన దగ్గర ఐటమ్స్ ఉంది మధ్యలో బ్యారర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు జస్ట్ నీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి రిక్వెస్ట్ తీసుకొని కస్టమర్ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి చెఫ్కి చెప్తాడు చెఫ్ మీకు ఏం చేస్తాడు ప్రిపేర్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఆ బ్యారర్ దగ్గర మీకు ఫుడ్ పంపిస్తాడు రైట్ ఆ బ్యారర్ అనేవాడు ఏం చేస్తాడంటే మధ్యలో మీడియేటర్ అన్నమాట మీకు చెప్పు ఆ బ్యారర్ మీ ఏపీ కానీ ఏం చేస్తాడు మీ యొక్క రిక్వెస్ట్ తీసుకొని చెఫ్కి చెప్పి చెఫ్ దగ్గర నుంచి వస్తే రెస్పాన్స్ మనకి తీసుకొచ్చిస్తారు కదా చెఫ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన ఫుడ్ తీసుకొచ్చి మనకి ఇస్తారు కదా దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏపీ ఇక్కడ ఫోన్ పే అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది బుక్ మై షోలో జస్ట్ బుక్ మై షోలో పేమెంట్ ఎంత చేయాలో ఆ యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్ అనేవి ఫోన్ పే సెండ్ చేస్తుంది ఫోన్ పే ఏం చేస్తుంది మన బ్యాంక్ సెండ్ చేసి బ్యాంక్ నుంచి వచ్చే రెస్పాన్స్ తీసుకొచ్చేసి బుక్ మై షోలో కానీ రెడ్ బస్ లో కానీ చూపిస్తుంది కదా ఆ ఫోన్ పే అనేది మొత్తం అక్కడ ఉంటుందా ఉండదు జస్ట్ మనకి ఎంత ఫంక్షనాలిటీ కావాలి జస్ట్ పేమెంట్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ కావాలి ఆ పేమెంట్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ యొక్క క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ మాత్రమే డెవలప్ చేసి ఇస్తాం దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏపీ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ నో రైట్ that is nothing but API. If you want to test that API is also not working properly or not, that is also one separate software. So that is also on separate course. Okay, to test that API also, we people are using this catalog. This is the tool which is used to verify the web applications, API applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications. Any questions? No, right? See, why I'm explaining real-time examples. This is the day one. This is the day one. Whenever you try to understand the concept, where it is available, then later we have to know the technical rules. Later we have to know the technical rules. I'll use every technical word, how you want to use them. Okay, so see here, right now, what is mean by web, what is mean by API, and what is mean by mobile application. Mobile application already I told, right? So through Play Store app, our apps are in OS, we have apps, right? So by using that apps, we can download some software, then we can open that application. That is nothing but mobile application. If you open any web page, if you open any screen in your mobile phone, that is mobile application. Okay. If you open any web page in a laptop, that is nothing but web page. Okay. Then desktop application. Desktop application is after downloading some software, if you open any window, that is nothing but desktop. The live example is every system we have an Excel sheet, right? We have Excel, right? See, if you open Excel, it is also getting the full screen, right? How you open this Excel in your systems? First, we need to download the MS Office. The software is required. Whenever you download the software, then only we get this window. Yes, sir. First, software is required. Without having that MS Office software, can you directly open this Excel? No. Yes, sir. And we have a PowerPoint. And we have a Word. How you get these applications? Everything is an application. Here also we have a files is one feature. Home, insert. We have these are also headers, right? We have multiple features. It is also having this cancel button, maximizing button, minimizing button. Everything is here also we have available, right? Whenever you have this icon, that is nothing but web page. But if you want to open this, first we need the software. This is nothing but desktop application. Are you able to understand? Desktop application is after downloading some software, if you open a window, that is nothing but desktop. API means it's a mediator between the client and server. And mobile application means through apps, through Play Store. If you download a software, if you open that application, or if you open the window, that is nothing but mobile application. Web page means through your browser internet, if you navigate a window, that is nothing but web application. Any doubt? If anyone will ask what is meant by web, what is meant by API, what is meant by desktop, do you have any questions? No, right? Online, are you able to understand?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Ali and
Yes, yes.
yeah, thank you. Saran?
Yes, sir. I like.
Yeah, thank you. See, so to perform the automation testing of this all application, Catalan is payment to yes, payment. Catalan is a payment. Okay, see this Catalan is a tool which is used to perform the automation testing for the web, API, mobile, and desktop applications. But is supporting the Java and Groovy, and it is a paid tool, free and paid tool. Free means just installation is free. If you want to download the Catalan software in your system, that installation is free. But if you want to use that feature, you want to pay them. మీ ఫీచర్స్ వాడుకోవాలనుకోండి ఆ క్యాటలాన్ టూల్ ని కంటిన్యూగా యూజ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఆటోమేషన్ చేయాలనుకోండి దట్ టైం ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఏ మనీ whenever you pay money then only it is working. If you are not paying money it will cancel the power. Okay, so which tool are you interested to work the in real time? Free open source only we are looking, right? So mostly people are looking into the free open source tools only. Okay, so Catalan is a paid tool. Okay, and next one is Selenium, right? Next one only Selenium, right? So Selenium is a automation tool. Selenium is a automation tool. It is for only web automation. It is for only web automation. Okay, and see, it is supporting Java, C Sharp, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, PRL, Linux. Okay, it is supporting multiple languages. But earlier I told Catalan is also a tool. It is also suitable for the automation. But by using Catalan, it is suitable for the only Java and Groovy. Java, Groovy. But my Selenium tool is having a multiple features and multiple libraries. It is having multiple libraries to use the tool. Okay, by using Java we can automate. By using C Sharp, okay, then Python, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, PRL, Linux. Okay, and it is a free tool. It is a free tool. So every human being looking into the free open source only. Selenium is a free tool and it is having a multiple languages support. That is the reason nowadays every software company using the Selenium tool to perform the automation list. That is the only reason. Basically ఏంటంటే ఇది ఫ్రీ. సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మల్టిపుల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. every software application by performing a testing only we have to release, right? So to develop the software application, client will spend some money, right? To develop any software application they want to give us some money, right? Okay, even to performing the testing also if they want to spend money to buy these tools, it is more burden to a client, right? That is the reason people are not ready to spend money to buy the tools. Selenium is a free tool. That's why people are using the Selenium tool and it supports the multiple languages. It is an advantage to the client and testers also. అర్థమవుతుందా? మనకి ఇప్పుడు జావాలో అన్ని ఫీచర్స్ ఒకటే లాంగ్వేజ్ లో అవైలబుల్ గా ఉండవండి. ఓకే, కొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ జావాలో అవైలబుల్ గా ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ లో అవైలబుల్ గా ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ C Sharp లో అవైలబుల్ గా ఉంటాయి. సో ఎవ్రీ ఫీచర్ ఇస్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ లాంగ్వేజ్. Okay, but my tool is supporting every language. That time, can we automatically switch into the another language? ఇప్పుడు నాకు జావాతో ఆటోమేషన్ చేస్తున్నాను నాకు ఫంక్షనాలిటీ వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు బై యూజింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కెన్ బి ఆటోమేట్ అవ్వను దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఫర్ టెస్టర్స్ రైట్ దట్స్ వై రియల్ టైమ్ ఎవ్రీ కంపెనీ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఇంటూ ది Selenium tool to performing the automation test.
But why most of the people are using Java for Selenium?
Why? Because Java is a structured based language and object oriented language. See, whenever you follow the object oriented programming languages, then only it is easy to use and easy to build the scripts, very secure. Okay, object oriented means very secure programming language. Security issues, people are using the Java. Most of the companies, 99%, every organization, Selenium and Java only they are using. Whenever you know the Java, remaining languages are easy. It's similar. Whenever you know Java, C# is similar. Whenever you know C# and Java, Python is similar. Okay, whenever you know this JavaScript is JavaScript, Java both are similar. And JavaScript, Java and C# is similar. Python is also similar. If you know one language, the remaining languages are easy. That is the reason people are knowing the first Java, then later they are switching into the different languages. They are building into the different languages. Okay, then it supports the multiple OSs. See these supported platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux. Windows is one operating system, Mac is one operating system, Linux is one operating system. Operating system means even OS. These laptops. Okay, so Mac means Apple. Okay, then we have one more tool, APM, right?
Where we can test.
Yeah, which software are chosen. So OS is one software, right? Okay, and the Mac and Linux.
In Windows, we can able to use Selenium.
Yes.
In Mac, we can able to use Selenium.
And Linux also.
It's about where we are using. The
Yes.
application where.
Yeah, wherever it is. See, మనము ఏదైనా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అప్లికేషన్ ని డెవలప్ చేస్తాం అది ఓన్లీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లోనే వర్క్ అవుతే కెన్ వి యూజ్ దట్ నో ఈవెన్ మ్యాక్ ఆల్సో నవేడేస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇట్ యాపిల్ ఫోన్ కూడా కొంటున్నాం కదా సో నవేడేస్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ రిచ్ దే ఆర్ రెడీ టు బై ద యాపిల్ ఆల్సో సో ఇఫ్ ఐ డెవలప్ ఎనీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అప్లికేషన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ OS that time it is not suitable for the using in a Mac, right? Yes or no? That's why people are developing a software application to use the every OS. That time we want to test everywhere. Right? To test everywhere, my tool is also supported. By using Selenium tool, we can test Mac software and Windows software or Linux also. Okay, then APM. APM is also a automation tool, but it is a mobile application automation. Already I told mobile application is different. Right? Whenever you know Selenium, APM is also easy because the next generation is a APM. First Selenium, the next version is APM. So first web page design చేస్తారు తర్వాతనే కదా మొబైల్ డిజైన్ చేస్తారు వెబ్ పేజ్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది ప్రాపర్ గా వెబ్ పేజ్ లో బాగా వస్తుంది పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ యూసేజెస్ పెరిగాయి we have to expand the software means they are using into the mobile. Okay, to test the mobile applications in mobile phone we have a Samsung. Okay, Vivo, Redmi, Apple. We have multiple brands. Right? Every company using same software and different softwares, different features, right? Okay, if you want to test that mobile application is working properly, every software out that purpose people are using the APM. Okay, APM is a tool which is used to test the mobile applications. Okay, then test complete. Then test complete. Test complete is also a tool. It is also a automation tool. It is suitable for only Windows. It is suitable for only Windows. And it is a paid tool. It is a paid tool. Are you ready to pay the money? No, right? That's why people are not using the test complete. If you search any Naukri or LinkedIn or Apna, any platform, nobody cannot ask a test complete numbers. If you want to become a software test engineer, so you must be know the Selenium. Whenever you know the Selenium, the remaining order is to be frank. నేను ఈరోజు డెమో చెప్తున్నాను కాబట్టి Selenium టాప్ అని చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మీరు ఏ కంపెనీకి వెళ్ళినా ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్కి వెళ్ళినా ये online website में गए ना, if you want to search the Selenium automation tools, they are looking only Selenium. ఎందుకంటే కనుక Selenium is a parent for every tool. Remaining automations, yeah, testing. Okay, whenever you know Selenium, you know you can easily know the APM. You can easily know the rest assured. Okay, you can easily know the SOAP UI. Okay, then Skypress. Skypress. Skypress is the automation tool. It is also suitable for only web. If I want to test a Mac applications or Linux software, it is not suitable. It is suitable for only web. Okay, sorry, it is suitable for multiple OS, but it is just for only web applications. And sorry, JavaScript is only language for using the JavaScript. Whenever you know the JavaScript, are you looking developer role or testing role? మనకు జావా వచ్చండి, జావా స్క్రిప్టింగ్ వచ్చు. జావా స్క్రిప్టింగ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు నేను డెవలపర్ మీద జాబ్ వెతుక్కుంటానా లేకపోతే టెస్టర్ మీద వెతుక్కుంటాను? ఆల్రెడీ నా దగ్గర స్కిల్ ఉంది, నా దగ్గర మల్టిపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ యొక్క ఎబిలిటీ ఉంది, అందులో జావా టాప్, నాకు జావా వచ్చు. నేను టెస్టింగ్ చేస్తానా లేకపోతే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలప్ చేస్తాను? సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలప్ చేస్తాను కదా, ఎందుకంటే నా స్కిల్ పోగొట్టుకోకుండా ఉండడానికి. రైట్, బట్ Skypress is a tool. It is for suitable for the only JavaScript. Who is interested to use the tool? Very less people are using. Okay, and one more disadvantage is it is a paid. Okay, now tell me which tool is suitable for the automation? Selenium. Why? Because it is suitable for the multiple languages and multiple windows, and it is a free. We have multiple advantages. Right? Whenever we have advantage, then only we have to use it. Here, I divided 5 tools, but in this out of 5, which one is best? Selenium one. Is this my result? It is Google only. You can also search in your mobile phone. You can get it. No issues. But here we have a number of tools. But every tool is not suitable for the testing a web applications. JMeter is suitable for the test the performance testing. Okay, so and SOAP UI, API testing. Postman is also API testing. Okay, and Protector is also suitable for the automation testing, but less people are using. So if you know Selenium, that one is also easy. It is related to the Selenium. Okay, so remaining these all are tools are not suitable for the web automation. Okay, every tool purpose is different. We have multiple softwares nowadays. Okay, online, are you able to understand? Online, are you able to understand what are the tools are suitable for the automation testing?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, thank you, Ali. Do you have any questions on here? No, right? Yeah. So right now, to performing automation testing, we people are using the Selenium. So we want to know what is meant by Selenium, how we want to use this. Okay. So just now I told Selenium is a automation tool, right? So if anyone will ask what is meant by Selenium, what's your answer? It is a
Web application testing automation.
Yeah, it is a automation. It is a free. It is a free automation tool, right? It is a free automation tool, and which is used to test the web applications. Any confusion? That is the definition for the Selenium. Already we discussed this, right? Selenium is a free tool and it is suitable for the web-based automation testing, right? And Selenium is a tool. If you say it is a tool, everyone looking into this that I can't. Mobile phone that kind of shape mobile phone around some square shape around. Yes or no? But Selenium is an automation tool, but it is not having any physical identity. It is not having any physical identity. It is also a one software application. Selenium is a tool, but it is not having any physical identity. It is also a one software application to test the software applications. Are you clear? So Selenium is a tool. It is a software application to test the software application. Which software application? Web-based software applications. By using Java with Java. By using JavaScript, Java or Python or Linux. Okay. So by using some supported languages, we can use the tool. We can test the software applications. But it is not having any physical identity. Okay. So if you want to see the tool, or if you want to connect the tool, if you want to use the tool to test the software application, we need some that liquid libraries are required. So that feature is required wherever you want to use. The features are required or not. మన మొబైల్ ఫోన్ యూజ్ చేయాలనుకోండి ఫస్ట్ ఫోన్ కొంటేనే యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాను, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అప్లికేషన్ టు టెస్ట్ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ అని చెప్పాను. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యూజ్ ద టూల్, వాట్ వీ నీడ్, ద టూల్ లైబ్రరీస్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్, ద టూల్ ఫీచర్స్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ద టూల్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్. టు గెట్ ద టూల్ వీ నీడ్ ద అఫీషియల్ వెబ్ పేజ్. సో ద Selenium official web page is URL of that tool is selenium.dev. URL of that page is selenium.dev. Are you able to understand? It is not having any physical identity. అంటే మనకి కంటికి ఏం కనిపించదు. It is a tool. It is a using some programming language only we have to test the software. It is not having any identity to see that. Okay. Then so by open this URL we can get the tool. So open any browser. Simply here you need to be search Selenium dev. See, whenever you search a Selenium dev in your browser, we directly get a official web page for the Selenium. This is nothing but official website. This is nothing but official website to use the tool. To use that tool. Okay. So see how we get through my browser internet only. Already told Selenium is a one software application to test the web page softwares. Yes or no? Right? See here. The first line only telling Selenium automates browsers. Before only we already discussed Selenium is a tool which is suitable for the only web pages. Okay, where you get the web page? In browser. In browser. That's why see it is telling Selenium automates browsers. That's it. Okay. Any doubt? So if you want to connect that, so this is the URL. And the first line only is telling Selenium automates browsers. That's it. Okay. Then see here. The official website is telling what you do with the power it is empty. Okay, by using this tool, what you want to do. Okay, so primarily it is for automating web application for testing purpose, but is certainly not limited to just that. So what is the purpose we are using this tool? To test the web application site. See the official website only saying primarily it is for automating web application for testing purpose. Already we know it. This tool is using to test the software applications. Okay. So if you want to tell what is the meaning of Selenium, you need to be tell this one also. This is also a definition for the Selenium. Which one is using? Selenium is a free automation tool which is used for web-based applications is easy. Or this one is easy. Primarily it is for automating web applications for testing purpose, but it is certainly not limited to just that. Which one is easy? The first one is easy, right? Your wish. Which one is easy? You can tell them. Okay, Selenium is automation tool to test the web applications. That is the definition for the Selenium. Okay, and Selenium is not a single tool. Selenium is not a single tool. Selenium is having a multiple tools. Okay, it is having a some suite also. Okay, see this in Selenium we have Selenium WebDriver, Selenium IDE, and Selenium Grid. Selenium WebDriver, Selenium IDE, and Grid. So just now I told Selenium is a automation tool to test the web applications. It is not a single tool. It is having a couple of tools, and it is having this suite. People are called it as a components. People are called it as a components. Okay. So in Selenium we have a multiple tools. The names as Selenium IDE, and Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Just now we discussed Selenium is the automation tool, right? But Selenium is not a single tool. It is having the couple of tools. Okay. So the first one is IDE. IDE is a tool. IDE is a tool. It is a simple record and playback tool. Selenium IDE is a simple record and playback tool. Record and playback tool means if you want to take any video, how you take by recording the video, only we have to play it. So if you want to automate the scripts, that way we can simply using the tool, we can automate and we can record that automation. So ఏవైతే ఇప్పుడు నేను వెబ్ పేజ్ టెస్ట్ చేయాలండి. Yes, video record. Yeah, we can. I will show you. By using this tool, we can. So by using this tool, we can capture that screen automation. How we are searching the products, how it is showing the result, and what are the scripts are required to test the tool. I will tell you. Okay, Selenium IDE is a simple record and playback. Just we record the scripts. Okay, but people are not using. Real time we are not using because by using that IDE, not required to know any programming language. It is very easy. Just 10 minutes is it to know that. 10 నిమిషాల్లో automation నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. The next two classes we discuss them. Okay, before going to that, first we have to know what are the features are having the Selenium. Okay, then one more tool is WebDriver. It is a API and interface. Selenium WebDriver is a API and interface. By using this WebDriver only, we are testing the automation. Sorry, we are testing the web application right now. In the market, to test any software application using Selenium, in that WebDriver we are using. Selenium we have a couple of tools, but which tool we use to test a web application is WebDriver. So, make WebDriver with an operation. On WebDriver use చేసే software ని test చేస్తాం. By using WebDriver, we can test the web application. Okay, then one more tool is Grid, right? One more tool is Grid. Grid is nothing but to perform the cross browser and OS compatibility. అంటే in తెలుగులో నేను నా ఆటోమేషన్ కి నేను క్రోమ్ లో పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నాను. నాకు క్లయింట్ ఏమని చెప్పాడంటే నేను సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అప్లికేషన్ క్రోమ్ కోసం ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయట్లేదు. ఫైర్ఫాక్స్ లో వర్క్ అవ్వాలి, ఎడ్జ్ లో వర్క్ అవ్వాలి, ఒపెరాలో వర్క్ అవ్వాలి, ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ లో వర్క్ అవ్వాలి, సఫారీలో వర్క్ అవ్వాలి అని చెప్పాడు. బట్ నేను నా స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ని నేను ఓన్లీ క్రోమ్ లో డెవలప్ చేసాను. హౌ కెన్ ఐ స్విచ్ దట్ క్రోమ్ టు ఫైర్ఫాక్స్? హౌ కెన్ ఐ స్విచ్ టు ఫైర్ఫాక్స్ టు ఎడ్జ్? So if you want to perform the cross browser, one by one browser. Okay, if you want to perform one by one browser by using this script, we can. Simultaneously, we can run. Simultaneously, if you want to run your scripts into the one by one browser, we use the grid. Okay, I will show you. This is also a very simple topic. Okay, but real time we people are working the WebDriver. WebDriver only we are working to test the entire software application. To run the WebDriver scripts in multiple browsers or multiple OSs, we use script. WebDriver to రాసిన scripts ని multiple browsers లోను multiple OS లోను టెస్ట్ చేయడానికి we use the script. Okay, so this is nothing but to perform cross browser testing. To perform cross browser testing and OS compatibility testing, we use the grid. If you want to record the scripts, if you want to record the steps, automation steps, we use IDE. And if you want to automate entire software application, entire web page, by using WebDriver, we can automate. And if you want to perform OS compatibility testing and cross browser testing, we people are using the grid. You know? All right? Yeah. So, like this, we people are using the Selenium. In Windows also we have a multiple versions, like Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 15. Even Mac also we can. Yeah, but, I will show you how we want to set up. We can set up. So by using our IP, sorry, the Wi-Fi connection, we can connect. Okay, if you want to run your scripts in OS, that time the OS libraries will be right. That thing we will tell you. Okay. So that is also a 1 or 2 hours. You will real time who are having a 6 or 7 years of experience, then only you get a chance to use them. So before having a 1 year or 2 years, 3 years, you never get a chance to use that build. So your seniors or managers, they will set the architecture and they will give directly permission to connect them. Okay, that is not our job. Okay, but here I will show you how you want to connect the multiple voices. Okay, మీ సిస్టమ్ 3%, నా సిస్టమ్ మీ సిస్టమ్ కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఐ విల్ షో యూ హౌ యూ వాంట్ టు రన్. గ్రిడ్ పర్పస్ ఏంటంటే కనుక వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ లో రాసిన స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఆటోమేషన్ చేస్తాం. ఆ యొక్క స్క్రిప్ట్ ని అనదర్ మిషన్ కి కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఎలా రన్ చేయాలో యూజ్ చేయడానికి ప్రాసెస్ గ్రిడ్. ఓకే, సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ని మనం మల్టిపుల్ విండోస్ లో ఎలా రన్ చేయాలి, ఎలా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి అని చూపించడానికి గ్రిడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సేమ్ దేనికైనా సేమ్ కాదు, ఒకటే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని మల్టిపుల్ దాంట్లో రన్ చేయాలి అంతే. అగైన్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు రైట్ దట్ సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఓకే, నేను మళ్ళీ దాన్ని కాపీ చేసి అక్కడ పే చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ రన్ చేసి అంత టైం ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఒక్కసారి రాస్తాను నేను స్క్రిప్ట్, ఒక్కసారి రాసిన స్క్రిప్ట్ ని మల్టిపుల్ మిషన్స్ కి కనెక్షన్ ఇస్తాను యూజింగ్ గ్రిడ్. ఓకే, ఆ గ్రిడ్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఈ రిక్వెస్ట్ ని ఆ బ్రౌజర్ లోకి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి అక్కడ రన్ చేస్తుంది అంతే. దాని పర్పస్ దట్ ఈస్ 1 or 2 hours టాపిక్. ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ. Okay, after completion of this web drivers, I will discuss. Okay, yeah. Any questions on here? Online, offline? Any questions? See here, today we are discussing what is mean by software. In the what is mean by software testing? How many ways to performing a software testing? Okay, to performing a software testing, we have a 2 approaches. One is manual, another one is automation. To perform manual approach, not required to know anything. Okay, but to perform automation testing, we need to know some tools and what are the tools are suitable for the testing the software. Right now we discuss what are the tools are suitable for the automation testing, how many types of tools are available, and why we are using Selenium, and what is Selenium, in the what are the components are available in Selenium. Any questions? No? So and so that's it from my end today class. But here this is a demo session, right? So in this classes I'm going to be teach the Java with Selenium. In your classes I'm going to be teach the Java with Selenium. So first I will give a Java class. Okay, then later after completion of this Java, okay, in Java I will discuss basics of Java. Okay, and control statements and oops, okay, exceptions handlings Okay, and collections. In Java, here we are going to discuss what is mean by Java, how you want to write a Java program, and what are the control statements are available in Java, and whose concepts and exceptions. If you get any error in a program, how you want to identify that error and how you resolve that error, and collections. Collections is a framework. Okay, by using collections, we have to write the number of inputs in a one program. Okay, I will tell you how you use the collections in your Java oriented. Whenever you know these concepts, that much is enough for Java. Okay, then after this, I'm going to be teach the Selenium. Selenium. Okay, right now people are using the Selenium 4, but I will tell you what is mean by Selenium 2, what is mean by Selenium 3, what is mean by Selenium 4. If it is moving to releasing a Selenium 5, I will tell you how it is used. So right now people are using the Selenium 4 only. I will tell you Selenium 2, Selenium 3, Selenium 4. Okay, I will show you the difference. What is the difference between 2, 3, and 4? Okay, in Selenium, here we have a again Selenium IDE, right? And Selenium WebDriver, right? And Selenium everything here. First, I will tell you how to use Selenium IDE. Then later, I'm going to be switched into the WebDriver. Once WebDriver is perfect, I will switch into the grid. Okay. And I'm going to be teach the couple of frameworks also. Frameworks. Framework means, okay, in Selenium, how you want to separate the scripts in a framework. How to perform unit testing, how to perform the page object model, how to use the Cucumber framework, and I will show you. So here I'm going to be teach TestNG framework and data-driven framework and page object model and hybrid framework and VDD with. In our classes, we are going to discuss TestNG, data-driven, POM, page object model. Okay, who are looking a fresher role, this much is enough. TestNG, data-driven, page object model is enough. And who are looking into the experience role in a Selenium, up to Cucumber is enough. Okay, so right now companies are looking into the Cucumber knowledge. Even fresher also they are looking into the Cucumber knowledge. Here I am going to be teach how what is Cucumber, how to use the Cucumber in your scripts, and how to build the scripts in Cucumber, and how to integrate it with the DevOps tools also with Cucumber. So here I am going to be teach a DevOps tools also. GitHub. GitHub is a DevOps. Okay, by using this tool we can maintain the code. Okay, then Jenkins. Okay, GitHub, Jenkins. And if you know the Selenium grid, Docker is this. Okay, if it is a required for Docker also I will tell you. Okay, but right now you never get a chance to use the Docker because you are not a DevOps engineer. So who are a DevOps engineer, they will use the Docker. Okay, and Jenkins, GitHub, and Maven. Maven also I will tell you, and Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse is not a DevOps tool, it is a tool to write the scripts. And right now, companies are using the Eclipse to build the scripts, Java scripts, other Selenium scripts, okay, or Python scripts. Everyone they are using the Eclipse only. So earlier, Visual Studio also people are using. Right now, people are using the Eclipse because it is a free and easy to use. Okay, and I'll give you a support to prepare resumes. preparing resumes, and live class recordings. And everyday task and practicing programs. So I will give the everyday task and practicing programs also. Whenever you complete the task and practicing programs only, tomorrow as you are come with. If you don't want to complete your task, if you have not spent time to prepare for the subject, not required to come tomorrow class. Today only I do. So if you have any doubt, you can ask the existing batches. And you people are having a exams also. You people are having the exam. Exam is in your regular classes. I will tell you what are the interview programs are seeing the interview. Okay, so right now, if you attend any interview, they will ask you a program. Here, I don't want to teach only the subject. Today only, I'm saying, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ సబ్జెక్ట్ మాత్రమే చెప్పను. నేను ముందే చెప్తున్నాను, జస్ట్ నాకు సబ్జెక్ట్ తెలిస్తే చాలు, నేను తెచ్చుకోగలను జాబ్ అనే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంటే నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు జాయిన్. Because if you want to looking a job, really if you want to looking a job, then only here you can join. I will help you how you want to crack your interview, how you want to solve your interview questions in interview only. మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు మిమ్మల్ని జస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ సెలీనియం అని చెప్పి అడగరు. ఫస్ట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ కంప్లీట్ ఏ జావా ఎగ్జామ్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ దే ఆర్ స్విచ్చింగ్ ఇన్ టు ది సెలీనియం టెక్నికల్. ఓకే, నేను ఎందుకని ఇంత ప్రెస్టేజ్ చెప్తున్నానంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే పీపుల్ అందరూ ఏమైనా ఆలోచిస్తారంటే జస్ట్ నాకు సబ్జెక్ట్ తెలిస్తే చాలు, నాకు మా ఫ్రెండ్ ఉన్నాడు, మా బ్రదర్ ఉన్నాడు, వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు అవన్నీ ఆలోచిస్తారు. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కూర్చున్న తర్వాత వాళ్ళు ఏం చేయరు, తీసుకురాగలరేమో కానీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకురాగలరేమో కానీ మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ పెట్టించగలరేమో కానీ ఒక్కసారి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కూర్చున్నాక నువ్వే జావా మీద ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలి. నువ్వు జావా మీద ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తేనే వాడు నెక్స్ట్ నీకు టెక్నికల్ రౌండ్ అరేంజ్ చేస్తారు. రైట్, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఏ ఎవ్రీడే టాస్క్ అండ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆల్సో. Exam means every Sunday or Saturday I will plan to conduct the exam. Every exam you have a 10 questions. You must be complete that exam whenever you attend every day, every exam. And if you complete that exams every day, you can give a mock interviews. Then only we will push your resumes to the particular basis. Then only we will give a job assistance to you. Without complete your mock interviews, without complete your exams, we can't proceed for the moving your profile to the పర్టికులర్. ఈ రోజు నేను ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనేవి మ్యాండేటరీ, ఖచ్చితంగా ఎగ్జామ్స్ అయితే రాయాలి. నేను టాస్క్ రోజు ఇస్తాను. ఇఫ్ యూ అనేబుల్ టు కంప్లీట్ ద టాస్క్, ద నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ వల్ల ఐ విల్ టెల్. మిమ్మల్ని జస్ట్ టాస్క్ చేసి మీరే ఖచ్చితంగా చేయాలి, మీరు చేస్తేనే మీరు టాస్క్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాయండి అని చెప్పండి. నేను మీకు ఏదైతే టాస్క్ ఇస్తాను, మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం తీసుకొని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. మీకు రాలేదు అంటే నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్లో నేను చెప్తాను. నేను చెప్పిన తర్వాత మీకు మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ సండే మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది. Okay, then I will give a basic API introduction also. How to do the API testing. It is an extra advantage for you, but why I am giving this introduction and why I tell this API testing is, if you want to switch your career to the API automation tester or REST automation tester, so that time API knowledge is also required. So who are getting experience, those people, they need to know this. వాళ్ళకి చాలా అవసరం ఇది తెలుసుకోవడం. Okay, whenever you know the API testing, then only you get a more package. మీకు డబ్బులు ఎక్కువ ఇవ్వాలి అంటే whenever you put that API knowledge in your resume, then they will give. నేను చూపిస్తాను టూల్ కూడా చెప్తాను. How you want to perform the API testing, what are the tools are suitable for the API testing. In API purpose, I will tell you Swagger and Postman. So this I will just give an introduction to API testing. What is API testing? How to perform the API testing. Whenever you know the basic, if you tell I have a knowledge in API testing, I know how I want to do. In real time, they don't want to give directly chance to work on that. They will also give some team. They will give us some guidance how you want to do that in real time also. That time it is help to perform that testing. Okay, I will tell you that Swagger and Postman. Okay, when after completion of Selenium, first priority is Selenium and Java. Next priority only API testing. Okay, if you complete a everyday task, if you complete a regular interview questions, everything, then only I will teach the API testing. Okay, so see, these topics we will cover in here. Okay, if anything is pending, I will add them in your course content. Okay, so that's it from my end. If anyone have any questions right now, please tell. Yeah. The complete duration for this course is 2 months. To be frank, 2 months. Most of the institutes, most of the people are telling 45 days is 30 days. To be frank, నాకు ఓన్లీ జావా మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయించి వాటిని మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి 1 month పడుతుంది. నాకు సెలీనియం కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి కూడా ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టీచ్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ సెలీనియం, హౌ టు యూజ్ సెలీనియం, హౌ యూ వాంట్ టు వర్క్ విత్ సెలీనియం ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ. మీకు రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఎలా వర్క్ చేయాలో చూపించాలి అంటే ఐ నీడ్ టైం. నాకు జస్ట్ సెలీనియం అంటే చెప్పండి అంటే ఐ నీడ్ 15 days ఇచ్చింది. కంప్లీట్ గా 2 months పడుతుందని. ఇంతవరకు ఏ బ్యాచ్ కూడా బిఫోర్ 2 months అవ్వలేదు. కాకపోతే మీకు రెగ్యులర్ గా క్లాస్ 8:30 to 9:30 ఆర్ 9:45 వరకు ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఒక్కరోజు కూడా మిస్ అవ్వదు క్లాస్. మీరు ఏ క్లాస్ బ్యాచ్ అడిగినా కూడా మీకు క్లాసెస్ అయితే మిస్ అవ్వదు, జస్ట్ పబ్లిక్ హాలిడేస్ తప్ప. ఓకే, కంప్లీట్ 2 months విత్ వర్కింగ్ డేస్. See, before 2 months, before 45 days, I will complete, but you never get a chance to work with real time. నేనే చెప్తున్నాను, 2 నెలలకి మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా నేర్చుకుంటేనే మీకు వర్క్ చేసే ఎబిలిటీ వస్తుంది. మీరు 45 days లో 30 days లో నేర్చుకొని నేను చేసేద్దాం వచ్చేస్తుంది అంటే రాదు. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ జావా అంటే ఏంటి, ఎలా జావా యూజ్ చేయాలి చూపించేసి సెలీనియం చెప్పమంటే 45 days ఇస్తుంది. నేను జావా చూపించి జావాలో మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రాపించి వాటి మీద మీకు వర్క్ పర్ఫెక్షన్ తీసుకురావాలి అంటే ఐ నీడ్ టు బి ఫ్రాంక్, ఐ నీడ్ టైం. బికాస్ whenever you are able to write a Java program, whenever you are able to give the answers to the Java, then only you are suitable for the performing automation testing with Selenium. Without Java knowledge, if you directly switch into the automation, it is impossible to work. నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే ప్రతి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లోను ప్రతి ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో ట్రైనర్స్ ఏమని చెప్పారంటే ఐ హావ్ ఎ లాట్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్, ఐ హావ్ మోర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఎ ట్రైనింగ్ టు విత్ ఇన్ 30 days ఆర్ 45 days యు ఆర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ ద రూమ్. బికాస్ వాట్ దే ఫీల్, వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారంటే ఒక ఫ్రెషర్ కి ఈ థింగ్స్ తెలిస్తే చాలు తను జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోగలడని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. కానీ ఏంటంటే వర్క్ చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్ గా అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ వీ హావ్ ఎ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్, బట్ ఎవ్రీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ lot of experienced faculties. Okay, every experienced faculty, what is their expectation? They want to complete their batch and they want to switch into the next batch and they will get the jobs. I don't want to believe your profiles to without getting job. Whenever you perfect in Java, whenever you perfect in Selenium, whenever you are good to explore your skills to the interviewer, then only you will get a job. That is my thing. Okay, నేను అదే అనుకుంటాను. నాకు టు బి ఫ్రాంక్, ఇప్పుడు మీకు జావా బేసిక్స్ అని రాసింది. బేసిక్స్ అంటే క్లాస్ అంటే ఏంటి, మెథడ్ అంటే ఏంటి చూపించేసి ప్రోగ్రామ్ హలో జావా అని చేస్తే బేసిక్స్ ఇది కాదు. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టీచ్ లైక్ దట్. వాట్ ఈస్ జావా, వాట్ ఈస్ క్లాస్, వై వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ క్లాస్ హియర్, వై వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ మెథడ్ హియర్, why we want to give the inputs in a program, why we want to get the output in a program. To discuss this all and how you use control statements, how to implement the control statements in your Java program, how to use that control statement to build your programs in Java, we need that. మీకు ఎక్కడికి పోయినా కూడా జస్ట్ కంట్రోల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అంటే యూజింగ్ కంట్రోలింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్. దట్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్. అండ్ సింటాక్సెస్ దే విల్ యూ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ గో వెబ్సైట్స్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఎవరైనా అలాగే చెప్తారు, బట్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టీచ్. సీ హియర్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ ద రియల్ ఫైల్స్. మీకేంటంటే మీకు క్లాస్ చెప్తాను కదా, మీకు క్లాస్ చెప్పినప్పుడు బిఫోర్ బ్యాచెస్, సి ఇవన్నీ రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ ఫైల్స్, ఇవన్నీ రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ ఫైల్స్ విత్ డేట్ వైస్. I will share every day document. I will give every recording video. I will give every task division section also. Okay, and these all are the your regular classes. So complete 2 months classes. Okay, So whenever you spend your time to 2 months, then only you get a perfection into the Selenium with Java. And sir, not required to spend 2 months or before 2 months only, I will get a perfection in Java with Selenium. All the best, you can better to join anyway. Before I'm telling, not required to join. నేను 2 months కంటే తక్కువలో చెప్పడం అనేది ఇంపాసిబుల్ అని ఎవరైనా చెప్తారు అంటే ఇంకా దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. నేను ఎందుకని కంప్లీట్ గా 2 months అని చెప్తున్నానంటే 2 months spend చేయకపోతే impossible to get the job nowadays because every interview, if you attend one interview, they will tell what is their expectations. మీరు ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూ అటెండ్ అయ్యి మీరు చెప్పండి వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయి. ఎర్లీ ఇయర్ కోవిడ్ టైం అండ్ బిఫోర్ కోవిడ్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ కోవిడ్ దే ఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ జస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ నో ద సెలీనియం దే విల్ రెడీ టు హైర్. But nowadays they have a multiple profiles in a Selenium knowledge, but nobody is not suitable for the role because they have a knowledge on Selenium, but they are not perfect in Java. They are not perfect in Selenium. How to use the real. మీకు ఏంటంటే మీకు చాలా మంది సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారండి సెలీనియం వాడటం చాలా ఈజీ, అదే ఉంది నేను చాలా సార్లు నేర్చుకుంటూ నేను నేర్చుకుంటూ 1 month లో 15 days లో నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను అని చెప్తాను. ఎందుకు అప్పుడు సెలీనియం అనే నేమ్ తెలిస్తే చాలా రావించారు. ఇప్పుడు సెలీనియం అంతా తెలిసి జావా అంతా తెలిసినా కూడా బట్ ఫస్ట్ జావా మీద ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసిన తర్వాతనే నీకు నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాను. దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. ఓకే, యా. సో థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ అటెండింగ్. ఎనీవన్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్? ఆన్లైన్ ఆన్ ఆఫ్లైన్? యా, ఆన్లైన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఆదిత్య?
No, sir. No.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. శరణ్?
No, nothing from this.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for attending.